The tips and tricks that I have mentioned work if there is no smart device, such as a tablet or a smartphone available. However, if you have a smart device, you can use speech-to-text software. There are apps you can download, such as an app called Big, as you can see here. You can speak into this app and it will translate what you're saying. This app is neat because it doesn't require a wireless connection to operate. You also don't need anyone else to handle your phone. Because the lines are big enough, you can maintain safe social distance between yourself and the person you're trying to communicate with. It is important to know that those who have hearing loss may need a little bit extra help to communicate clearly. One thing we can all do to remove barriers is learn how to use our eyes to communicate what's going on. This is very helpful because your eyes are the only part not covered by the face mask. For short interactions, this can help you relay information, such as if you're in a grocery store with your arms full of food and you need to get around someone. You can use your eyes to communicate this. If you do know sign or finger spelling, it's very helpful to our community. However, if you don't know sign or finger spelling, you can do your best to gesture. We do not assume that all people know sign language. However, those who use gesture are very helpful. You can also download many free apps that are good for short interactions. We know not everyone has a smart device available, but if you have one, it's a great resource. I hope this information that I've given you today is helpful so that we can stay safe and communicate. And again, please wear your face mask. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.